Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn structure of 12 tenses with sentence example. To understand all the tenses together, I have divided them into 4 parts. If you want to understand the concepts of 12 tenses together, then watch the video till the end. First part is present simple, past simple and future simple tense. So, let's get started. Structure of present simple tense. Subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 meaning main verb plus object. Look at the example. I go to school. We go to school. Next example. He goes to school. Or Mina goes to school. Next, past simple tense. Structure subject plus verb 2 meaning past form plus object. Look at the example. Here you can use all subject singular and plural. I, we, he, she, they. I went to school. He went to school. Now, future simple tense. Structure subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 meaning main verb plus object. Look at the example. Here you can use all person, singular person, plural and third person with will. I will do the work. He will do the work. They will do the work. Next example. Here you can't use all person with shall. Only I or we shall do the work. Now we will see present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tense. Okay, first structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus am, is, are plus ing form of verb plus object. Example, I am reading a book. Next example, Mina or he is reading a book. Next example, you or we are playing cricket. Now, past continuous tense. Structure subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb plus object. Look at the example. I was playing cricket. Mina was playing cricket. Next example. You were playing cricket. We were playing cricket. Okay, now future continuous tense. Structure subject plus will be or shall be plus ing form of verb plus object. Look at the example. He will be reading the book. Mina will be reading the book. Next example. I or we shall be reading the book. Now, part 3. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect tense. Okay. Present perfect tense. Structure subject plus have or has plus verb 3 meaning past participle form plus object. Look at the example. I, you, we or they have done the work. I have done the work. Next, Mina, he, she, it has done the work. Mina has done the work. Now, past perfect tense. Structure subject plus had plus past participle form of verb plus object. Look at the example. Here you can use all person, singular, plural and third person. I had done the work before he came. They had done the work before he came. Okay, now future perfect tense. Structure subject plus will have or shall have plus past participle form of verb plus object. Example, I or we shall have finished reading the book by 4 p.m. Next example, I, he, she, they or we will have completed the work before Friday. Now we are going to see part 4. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous tense. Okay. First, structure of present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been or has been plus ing form of verb plus object. Look at the example. I have been playing football for 1 hour. They have been playing football for 1 hour. Next example. He or she, Mina or my friend, has been reading since morning. Now, structure of past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus ing form of verb plus object. Example, I had been watching TV for 1 hour before sleep. He had been watching TV for 1 hour before sleep. Okay, now let's see future perfect continuous tense. Structure subject plus will have been or shall have been plus ing form of verb plus object. Look at the example. He will have been traveling for 1 hour, or they will have been traveling for 1 hour. Next example. Here, I or we shall have been waiting for you until you come back. I hope you all understood concepts of 12 tenses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.